Hi guys, welcome to our part 11 for WordPress. So now we try to see if we could get those the footer out, but the problem is like these are the places where most WordPress developers put their the footer, that footer information. So but now if we don't find it in your functions, and also you can't find it in your footer, here you can see the footer how it looks like. So the other part to do that, you can come here and go to appearance, then you say customize, please guys don't forget to subscribe. Then you can click on layout, then you can see footer, then you can see footer widget, footer bar, click on footer bar, then you can see what we have here. So you can see copyright current here. I'm sorry about that. Then you can see current here, and we do what we say this is the year, site title, this is the theme, author. So that's what exactly they did here. You can see they show you this is the current year, site title, which is just code, then powered by this guy, that's the Astro. So what we do here, we want to try to change some of that information, author. So we're gonna put say, I see if it's gonna work. Then we save that, and we come here, we try to refresh, go back here and try to refresh. Yes, it did work, you can see, but if you click it doesn't go anywhere, which is good. So now we managed to change that. Now they powered by who is who is you. So here we put King Musa. We can also delete this and say powered by, then you can see, okay, so your client is gonna see your name, not somebody else's name. So this is so important guys for us as website designers to promote or advertise ourselves. So this is working 100%. You can see powered by King Musa and stuff. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope everything has gone well in the first 11 hours, 11 parts of this journey. So if you have any information you want to share with us, maybe if we made some mistakes when we're trying to teach people, so you can help us and correct us. So you know, we're all humans and sometimes we make mistakes, and it's difficult sometimes to see them when you're still on the same thing. Okay guys, trying to scroll up and down to see how the site looks like. So you know, some of you guys, you might like to say, okay, I want my site to have here a what they call a scroller, like whereby the images are scrolling up here and stuff. So it depends on the on the theme you're gonna install. You can go back and look for a theme which has some things like that, something like that, like what a slider here. So this one I didn't want to put a slider, but you can put a slider if you want to. Guys, we're gonna see you in part 12 if we install other new plugins and show you how they work, what to do and stuff like that. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in part 12.